Hello, teachers and students, and 6E. Thank you. You may be seated. All right. Before we begin, can someone tell me one thing about their last lesson? One thing, just one. Remember, what did you learn in your last lesson? Irene. Okay, we'll have Irene. Thank you, Irene. Measure and length. Okay, I'll give another more time for you to give me one more thing again. We'll have Samuel. Thank you, Samuel, for your answer. Measuring length and width. All right, you have given many answers to your teachers, or maybe one answer that was learned from your last lesson. I would like you all to do one thing. Your pointer. Show me your pointers. Okay, very good. Now, point to your nose, your forehead, your eyes, and your ears. Now your lips. Keep them there. Quiet. Keep them there. And listen to this sound that I have for you. I'll have to pick something that will make noise, sir. But if you don't mind, I'll have to pick it up. No spine. Somebody's spine. Okay. I'll keep it in my bag so you don't see. I'll keep it in this bag so you don't see what it is. All right, students and 6E, may I have somebody to hold the. Are we ready? Listening? Can you hold the mic, Victoria? Put it close to the bag so they can hear what is in the bag. Switch on the mic. Last one. Listening carefully, students. Thank you. Now, can someone tell me what it is? Robert, first hand up. Thank you, Robert. Robert, first hand up. We'll have Helen, the next person, who will give us the answer. The guess.
Coins in the bottle.
Coins in a bottle. Robert thinks it's coins in a bottle. What do you think? Coins in a bottle? Very good answer, Robert. We'll have Helen.
Coins in a bottle. Coins in a bottle.
Coins in the bottle again. All right, we'll check. I think those two answers, their ears are very sharp, so they are almost correct. So I'll take out our secret sound maker. So it's a glass cup with some coins. So every time I was dropping them, they were making a sound. So very good guess, almost in the bottle, but it's a glass cup. All right, thank you. Class, all right, teachers and students, our lesson for today is on hello, who's there? That is our lesson topic. We're still on the same strand, working scientifically, and the same outcome, 6.1.1. All right, class and students. Take your two pointers, or two hands, sorry, not the pointers, two hands. Raise your two hands. Cover your eyes. Do you see anything? Oh, sorry, do you see something? No. Remove your hands. I would like you to listen carefully. Cover your ears. Do you hear me? Yes. Okay, remove your ears. Sorry. Remove your hands. Now, listen carefully to what I'm going to tell you. We are going to go into our activity. So, you need to listen to our instructions carefully. This is the instruction that I will give you. Did you hear what I said? I'll repeat it again. We are... Can someone tell me what I said? Can you tell me what I said? No. Or yes? Someone? I'll repeat again last time. Did you get the instruction? Why did you not get the instruction? Why did you not get the instruction? Tell me why you did not get the instruction, Imelda. Imelda?
No sound.
Again, tell the class.
No sound.
No sound from the words. Thank you. There was no sound coming out from my mouth or from the words that I was speaking. But now I'm talking to you, you can hear the words. Can you? So you can hear the sound that are coming out from the words that I am telling you the instruction. But without sound, without sound you cannot hear anything. So this is a clap sound. Good. I'll give you one last practice. Another last practice. Close your eyes. Not yet. You will close your eyes and you will listen to the first sound. Give me the first sound that you hear when you close your eyes. Tell your teacher what the first sound when you close your eyes. Students out there. Ready? Let's close our eyes now. Close. Good. Open your eyes. What was the first sound that you had? First hand, Robert. Let's go, Robert. First hand. The mic. Robert is always alert, so his hand is first. Robert, loud and clear. Speak up.
Clapping your hands.
I clapped my hands. He had the sound of my clapping hands. Okay. Next person, that was what Robert had. Any person that had something else? Victoria. Pass the mic to Victoria.
Bell ring.
Bell ringing. The sound that you had, thank you, Victoria. The sound that you had when you closed your eyes. When you were closing your eyes, what was the sound that you had? The bell. Good. Someone? Okay, the last one. We'll have the last one. We'll have the last one. Just pass the mic. Tehilan.
Hands clapped. Hands clapped.
Hands clapped. Thank you. Thank you for all those answers. Okay, sound is very, very important. We'll go into our activity, but before we go into our activity, in your exercise book, take your exercise books out because you will copy this table down and we will quickly carry on with our activity. So please copy this table down into your exercise books. Your table has 5 sounds we will look at. So copy that down quickly. I'll give you 2 minutes to copy the table down. When you have finished drawing your table, you sit up straight so we can know that you finished. And your teacher out there will know that you are also finished. Good. I see some people are finished completing their or copying their tables down. All right. Our time is up for copying the tables. Let's look at our instruction. Our instruction number 1, we'll have we'll have to read our instruction number 1. So we'll have Uvau to read us instruction number 1. Uvau, read us instruction number 1 loudly, clearly.
Listen carefully to the sounds.
Good. So which part of the body do you need? Your ears. So listen carefully to the sound is our first instruction. Our next instruction. Laka. Could you read the next instruction? All right, guess where the sounds, what the sounds are or where they come from is the next instruction. Let's try one test. Students, I would like you to listen to the sound, a test sound carefully. I'll play that again and you listen. Okay. Who would like to give us the answer? Same people. I would like to see different faces. Somebody else. Caro. Thank you.
Dog barking.
A dog barking. Thank you, Caro. Any others that think it wasn't that or something else? All right, I think you all had that it was a dog barking. So your answer is, your actual answer is dog barking. All right. Are you ready to do the activity, students? Okay. Listen carefully. These are the sounds that I will play. There are 5 sounds. Firstly, you will not talk to your friends. Once the sound is played, you record it down under the column guess. That is your guess. So you guess that. So each of the 5 sounds. Do not tell your friends. Do not discuss with your friends. Because you will go after that, I will give you a minute to check all those. So when we start now, do not tell your friends what sound you think it is. Do not give him or her a clue about what you are writing. So hide your guesses from your friends. Are we ready? When you sit up straight, it is a sign that you are ready to listen to the sound. Okay? Students out there, ready? We will listen to the first sound. Write it down. Do not tell your friend. Don't spy. Don't look at your friends. I'll play it once again. Some of you know it, so you're smiling out there. No talking to your friends, I said. Don't tell your friends. You're going to give them clue. The second sound. All ready for your second sound? Good. This is your second sound. Listen carefully to your second sound. Do not show your answers to your friend. Listen again. Write it down quickly. Now your third sound. Listen to the third sound. What do you think this third sound is? One more time. Some of you seem to be smiling. You know the answer. The fourth one. Listen carefully. Again, listen. That's a tricky one. The last sound. Oh, good. Some are smiling there. They know the answer. Listening again carefully. All right. This time I will play the sound once and you can quickly discuss with your friends and check your answers, then we go. Okay, let's listen to the first sound. You will listen, I will play the sound once, you will listen to the sound and suggest to your friends what the answer is. If you agree with the answer, good. Then we move on to the next sound. So let's listen to the first sound again. Good. All right, let's listen to the next sound. Next sound, second sound. We are going to listen to the second sound. Give me 5 seconds to discuss with your friend what that second sound is. All right. Third sound, listening. Okay, good. I'll give you a few seconds to discuss with your friends. The fourth sound. Let's listen to the fourth sound. Again, listen to the fourth sound. I'll give it 5 seconds to discuss with your friend what the fourth sound is. And the last sound. Do I have your ears for the last sound? No. I don't hear. Anyone is ready? The last sound. Listen to the last sound. All right, let's see what our first guess is. Our first guess. What do you think is our first guess? Samuel, give us the guess.
Chicken cross.
Okay, chicken crows. Ah. Sorry, I went past the line. Chicken crows. Oh, it's in the wrong place. Number 2. Number 2. Emmanuel. Crowd laughing. Lorraine, the next one. You answer, Lorraine? Thank you. Oh. The fourth one. Brenda? Brenda, give us your fourth answer. Brenda, and we'll have the last one, Christine.
Glass broken. Glass broken.
Glass. Breaking. And the last one, Christine.
Kicking a can.
Kicking a can. Thank you, Lorraine. Christine, sorry. All right, those are your guesses. Let's have a look at your actual answer. Our first one is the chicken crows. Okay? Samuel guessed that. So if you have chicken crows, that is correct. Second sound was the crowd laughing. The third sound was a sound of actually a jet engine that was flying by in the sky. If you said aeroplane, yes, you're correct. It was the sound of a jet engine. And the fourth one, a glass cup breaking, or a glass cup breaks. And the fifth one, sound that you had, was a canteen being kicked. So if you got that 4 guesses, 5 sounds guessed correct, very good. You have a very good listening sense, or a good sense of listening. All right, before we go, there is a question that I would like to leave with you for homework. Our question for homework is, Sounds help people. So that is your question for homework. You can discuss with your friends after class and at home with your family or your friends. So list down how sounds help people. Let's look at our summary. Our summary for today, we have three points that you would copy down. Write it down. Okay, teachers and students, our next lesson will be on volume, please. That is our next lesson on volume. So for our next lesson, you will also try to find out what volume is. So do that as an extra homework for you too from the first one. Things that you will provide for your class teachers out there are containers, measuring cylinders, beakers, water, and cooking oil, or any other containers that have measurements or markings or scales on them. Graded measuring containers. With that, I would like to thank you teachers and students, and 6E for your participation.